Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. If I'm ever demoing a wall or a shed, the first thing I grab is a reciprocating saw with a demo blade. Lately, I've seen a lot of these circular saw blades come out with a demolition purpose. I've been a bit skeptical, so I picked up this Diablo Demo Demon blade and gave it a test. Here's how it fared. The Diablo Demo Demon is a 24-tooth circular saw blade that comes in both 7 1/4 and 6 1/2 inch sizes. The blade has an ultra-thin kerf, less than a 1/16 of an inch, which is great for squeezing into tight spaces. It also requires less work for the circular saw, meaning more cuts per charge. Since I didn't have any projects that required any demo work, I put together a test to figure out the capabilities of the Diablo Demo Demon. I used an old warped 2x10 and riddled the edges with every sort of nail and screw I could find. After a few passes and cutting through over 200 screws and nails, the Demo Demon still has its carbide tips intact and working great. All in all, demo blades are not going to last forever. They're disposable. But this thin kerf Diablo Demo Demon made it through our test without losing any carbide or chipping out at all, and that's why it's Family Handyman approved. To see more products we're testing and improving, head on over to familyhandyman.com.